Hello everybody, welcome to the course Automating with Python, a hands-on approach. So in this session, we're going to learn about command line interface. So Python is truly magical and the command line interface or CLI is your magic wand. So with it, you can, run the text-based commands to configure system, navigate directories, or execute programs on virtually any computer or server. So in this lesson, you're gonna discover how to use Python together with the command line to make that magic happen. So let's begin. So here I have a VS Code open. I'm gonna open a blank file. I'm gonna name this as example.py. So in this file, I'm gonna simply type the print statement, print hello world. Save this and I'm gonna run Python 3. So so here it is like how it works. You can see that hello world printed out in the terminal. Now let's take this one step ahead. We are going to create another file that is called practice.py, and that will automate running the terminal command using the Python itself. So for that, we probably need the Python built-in sub-process library. So this sub-process library is very powerful module that allows Python to communicate directly with the command line interface. So it can execute commands, capture output, even control the external programs. For example, we're gonna use the function called the subprocess check all. Let me just create a file called practice.py. So here I'm going to import subprocess module, and now we're gonna create a simple loop that runs over previous Python script multiple times. Like for I in range of 5, subprocess dot check all, and here I'm gonna pass Python 3, sorry, Python 3. I'm gonna put the double quotes in here with the braces, and the other argument is example.py. So basically here what is happening is that the subprocess check call. So this takes a list of command line arguments, and the first element Python 3 tells Python to invoke the interpreter, and the second element this example.py is the file we want to execute. So this structure ensures each part of the command is handled safely and correctly without relying on the shell parsing. So now let's save this, and uh, and we can test it out by running Python 3 practice.py. So watch the output, like how it is expected. So your what you have just done is like make the Python execute another Python program automatically and repeatedly using the subprocess library. So this technique is extremely powerful in automation and DevOps workflows. You can use it to trigger deployments, run scripts across environment, or chain together processes that depend on each other. And with that, you now understood the basics of executing terminal commands programmatically in Python. So go ahead and experiment further, like try running different commands, capture the outputs, and even the chaining the multiple command together. So with subprocess, Python gives you a complete control over command line automation. So feel free to reach out with the questions or feedback. Let's learn together.